Welcome. If you've decided to take a break from Discord or you want to deactivate your account for any reason, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to deactivate your Discord account using your Android device. Let's dive right in. First, locate the Discord app on your Android device and open it up. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon labeled You. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, to access your settings, tap the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the settings menu where you can manage your account preferences. Now scroll down until you find the account option. Tap on that to view your account details. Here, you'll see a variety of settings related to your account. As you keep scrolling, look for the option that says Disable Account. Tap on that choice, and you're one step closer to deactivating your account. The last thing you need to do is enter your password to confirm that it's really you making this decision. Once you've entered your password, tap OK. And that's it. Your Discord account will be deactivated, allowing you a break from the platform. Remember, if you ever want to return, you can always reactivate your account by logging back in. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.